Let's bring you the latest as far as the heavy rains in the National Capital Region are concerned. It's been on for a few hours, I can tell you, and there's been traffic snarls that commuters from Delhi and the nearby areas are still struggling with. Roads have been waterlogged, metro stations have been inundated, people are stranded. Rain alert has been issued for Delhi NCR. The rains have been on since evening, and given the latest that we are given to understand, this is likely to be the scenario over the next 24 hours as well. Those are visuals on your screens of the inundation that's happened because of the heavy rains on since the evening. Traffic snarls in densely populated areas, on the borders as well. Commute has been a real problem, and be it the main roads, be it societies, everything at the moment as we speak of has been battered by heavy rains, and there is absolute inundation in most parts of the national capital.
Look at me. This is Delhi. We are in water in front of City Fort. I'm walking because my car is stuck in the water. We live in the heart of Delhi. I have to go for a debate now, and I'm walking. Look. I'm walking with my sari barefoot. This is Delhi. And there's nothing one can do. Drains are all filled up. Terrible, terrible administration. This is not what we are paying taxes for. Terrible.
We have a battery of reporters on the ground from various corners of Delhi. We've got reports for you. Take a look at them.
Heavy rainfalls lash the national capital, bringing much required relief to an extremely humid temperature. The mercury was almost crossing 39.3 degrees Celsius, and amidst this heavy rainfall brings a sigh of relief for those in the national capital. But with that, it also relieves the problems of waterlogging in the national capital. With video journalist Ankit, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
दिल्ली एनसीआर में हो रही है जबरदस्त झमाझम बारिश और पिछले 3 घंटे से बारिश ने पूरे दिल्ली एनसीआर की तस्वीर बदल कर रख दी है। हर जगह सिर्फ और सिर्फ पानी नजर आ रहा है। हालांकि लगातार गर्मी से परेशान दिल्ली एनसीआर को थोड़ी सी राहत जरूर मिली है। मौसम विभाग ने आपको बता दें कि रेड अलर्ट जारी कर दिया है। कहा यह गया है कि अगले 2 घंटे और बारिश से राहत नहीं मिलने जा रही है, लेकिन हर जगह की तस्वीर आपको नजर आएगी कि जैसे सड़कें दरिया बन चुकी हैं, लबालब पानी चारों तरफ नजर आएगा। सोचिए पीक आवर्स में जब लोग अपने घर लौट रहे थे ऑफिस से, उसी दौरान झमाझम बारिश हुई है और तेज बारिश हुई है। इसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किलें लोगों को हुई हैं। पानी भरने की वजह से सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये है कि ट्रैफिक जैम है। घंटों घंटों तक लोग ट्रैफिक में फंसे हुए हैं और अभी भी जानकारी है कि अगले 2 से 3 घंटे इसी तरह से ट्रैफिक मिलने वाला है, क्योंकि पानी बहुत ज्यादा भरा हुआ है और हर सड़क पर पानी, अंडरपास में पानी है।
इस वक्त हम खड़े हैं दिल्ली के ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में, वही उसी स्थान पे जहां पे पिछले शनिवार को राहुल आईएएस कोचिंग सेंटर के बेसमेंट में पानी भरने से 3 छात्रों की दर्दनाक मौत हुई थी। यहाँ अभी देखा जा सकता है मेरे सामने, देखिए वही हाल है इलाके का। लगभग कमर तक पानी भरा हुआ है। नगर निगम के कर्मचारी मौके पे जल निकासी के लिए लगे हुए हैं। लगातार यहाँ पे पानी का भराव के कारण आसपास में भारी ट्रैफिक जाम लग गया है।
Absolute mayhem there in the national capital. Several regions continue to be waterlogged. It's been a troublesome evening for the residents of the national capital region, and water pumps have been deployed across various areas to pump out water, to clear out the area. But not all efforts at the moment that have been put have provided a lot of relief to the people of the national capital. Some of them, in fact, having to wade through knee-deep water, and in fact, as a result of the heavy rains, no area has been spared. Be it the poshest colonies in the national capital, be it the Lutyens, be it areas like Rajendra Nagar, be it the areas of Hauz Khas as well. Every area that you can talk about in and around the national capital. Old Rajendra Nagar visuals in front of you. all have been meted out the same or have had to face the same sort of rain, same sort of heavy rain, and visuals there telling the story for you as to what kind of an evening it's been in the national capital. People have decided to stay back in their offices. Those who left sometime in the evening have still not reached home. It's taken in excess of 3 to 4 hours for people traveling from nearby areas of Gurgaon and Faridabad back to their homes in Delhi, and the situation remains grim right now. The sewers have overflown, the drains have overflown, and the situation is an absolute mayhem as far as the situation in Delhi is concerned. That's the latest. In fact, there has been a house that's also collapsed in the northern part of Delhi. A school wall has collapsed in Daryaganj. 3 houses have collapsed in totality in Delhi. So that's the kind of heavy rainfall that Delhi has received, and as a result of that, there is some destruction as well, some devastation as well that Delhi has had to withstand as a result of that. Visuals of those of the kind of mayhem that Delhi has had to face on your screen right now, leading to a lot of snarl, leading to the public being stranded at times as well, and there you see people trying to lift the tree as well that collapsed. In fact, those are the scenes in not just one part of Delhi. I can tell you with a great sense of surety that tree felling has been a thing because of the heavy rains in multiple parts of Delhi, and it's not been a good evening for those in the national capital.